how to change the background color or picture for video call effects on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the video call app that you would like to use. So here I will open up the Facebook Messenger. Then start your video call. Now to change the background color or the background image, you can swipe down at the top, swipe down again, then tap on video effects. In here, you can change the background by tapping on the background button and then select image. In here, select the image that you would like to use. If you would like to add in more images, you can do that via the settings menu. I will show you how to do that in a moment. Now to change the background color, so here is the background image. And to change the background color, we swipe down and then tap on video effects. Then choose color. So here I will tap on background and then choose color. Here select the color that you want to use. So we can choose pink or green. Now you can add in other colors as well, again via the settings menu. So here we got the background color, and then you can have your selfie pictures in here. So we make the call again. So we have a green background color. And that's it. So here to change the color or to add in more pictures, you swipe down at the top and then tap on settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on advanced features. Then we scroll down and tap on video effects. In here, you can add in other colors by selecting a color in here, then tap on done. So you have a maximum of up to 4 background colors. Here you can choose background image, so tap on the add button to add in any other background image that you would like to use, then tap on done. So here we go down and add in any other background image that you would like to use. You have up to a maximum of 4 background image to the list here. And that's it. Now if you go back to your video call, you can see this time, if I go into video effects and tap on background, now I have more images at the back I could choose. And that's it. So that is how you can change the video call effects background image or color on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.